Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am in Picton, Ontario right now, which is about an hour and 15 minutes away from Peterborough, which is where I live. And Peterborough is about an hour and a half to 2 hours away from Toronto. So we're very central, and a lot of people travel from Toronto to Prince Edward County, which is where we're at right now. We're just specifically in Picton. But Picton is part of Prince Edward County, which is known for Ontario's kind of wine destination. So a lot of people come and visit here in the summertime and tour wineries, check out beautiful vineyards, and just really enjoy the downtown space. There's also kind of what everybody knows is the Sandbanks National Park, which is this vast park with kind of sand dunes and places to camp and just explore. So that's another really cool attraction of this area, but it's mainly known for, Ontario's sort of wine destination. So we are staying here during the winter, and it was supposed to be really beautiful out, but we ended up catching a winter storm. So we are here in Picton, and we are staying here in our beautiful Airbnb, and we just shoveled the driveway outside, which I'll show you in a second, but we are fully snowed in at this point. It is freezing rain out there. The snow is just coming down. I'll also show you outside, but it is such a beautiful space, and we're so grateful to be here and just be in the presence of such a wonderful Airbnb. So I think it deserves a tour. I won't be able to check out the downtown, but I want to show you where we are, because we're quite literally situated on Lake Ontario, which is this beautiful, vast lake. We actually saw a bald eagle like an hour ago, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful space. So I want to show you around where we're staying. And if all it is today is just a tour, then hopefully we'll be able to show you something tomorrow when we leave, and hopefully the weather will be nicer and we can tour around the downtown Picton area. I think also Wellington is a really cool downtown as well in the Prince Edward County area. So you might check that out too. But for now, I will show you around the Airbnb. Okay, so I wanted to show you our little welcome package from the Airbnb we're staying in, Prince Edward County. So we got Prince Edward County map. It's really thoughtful bottle of champagne from the area. We got a really nice welcome note here. And that's not all. We also got local honey from the area that we can take home with us, two packets of nut-free Nature Valley, which is really thoughtful. My mom is nut allergic, so this is really thoughtful. And 2 packets of oatmeal, apple and cinnamon raisin, and then some popcorn, which is so lovely, and just some little Explore gift cards, 15% off. Bike rental. I mean, it's a little cold right now to do a bike rental, but good to know. A winery. And yeah, little gift at Savon du Bois. So yeah, little goodies here, and check out this view. We are expecting a winter storm tonight, but we get to do it nice and cozy and stare out these big, beautiful windows. morning, everybody. Look at this beautiful day today. So I wanted to take you around the cottage and show you what everything looked like in the sun. So we are on Picton Bay, which connects to Lake Ontario. So we have this really beautiful living room with turquoise seating here. Really love this color. Big open space. These windows. And looks like a map of Prince Edward County. And I'll show you the kitchen in a second, but I want to take you downstairs. So we've got a bathroom here and got another beautiful window. It snowed a lot here. But I want to take you downstairs to start, so we'll turn on the light. And I think this space is so cool. So on the upper floor, we just have this really beautiful seating area. And down here, we were actually working, which was great. And for basement, these are really big windows. We have seating area here. And in the summertime, you can sit out here. And that's the water right there. So you can notice some footsteps. We actually walked down to look out to the water. And this is another kind of seating area here, but look how beautiful this is. And then if it were to rain, you have this covering here. And looks like even a fan for the bugs in the summertime. We were plugging in this heater we'd come down to watch TV down here. This was a really nice high def TV screen. And then there's even a place to eat over here in the corner, a nice place to chill. And we were listening to records. It was so fun. So here's this really nice seating area here, with even more light. And then check out this record station. So there's records here. Here we'll have lots of different records. We listened to the Beach Boys last night. And yeah, here's the record player. So to adjust the volume. And then this is also an FM player too. So really gorgeous downstairs space. And I just open up a little. It's beautiful and so quiet. Okay, and the last thing I wanted to show you is the kitchen, which is just beautiful. So we've got a nice kitchen island here. So where the dishwasher is on, and we are leaving this stunning Airbnb. But this is the kitchen, and basically panoramic views around the cottage. And I mean, who doesn't want to wake up to this? Just stunning. So we are gonna head out now, probably to downtown Picton, and I will catch you all there. So we just left our Airbnb and now we are driving through Picton, and we wanted to check out this interesting looking factory, maybe like a smelting factory, but we just came across this Picton Fairgrounds, which has a really beautiful building. So we're gonna stop here first, and then we are gonna head to downtown Wellington, and I think try and drive around the bay a little bit. Okay, so we just stopped for a moment to check out this really interesting looking greenhouse. I'm just gonna walk up here. up so I can see a little bit better. I'm trying to flip the camera around, but it's a really beautiful building. And it kind of matches my sweater. Okay, so look at this. This is pretty incredible. So check out inside. Wow, so I wonder if they do some kind of events here. Look at that green, stunning. And then you've also got like an older, what looks like bathrooms over here. Just stunning. So I think we'll carry on, but we wanted to stop and see this, and that's kind of the joy of wandering around these places. So I'm gonna head back into the car because it's cold. But yeah, we're gonna check out this factory and see what it's all about, and then we're gonna head over to downtown Wellington, which is what I remember from coming to Prince Edward County the last time. So I will see you there.